Welcome back, guys. Robby Robstar here from Robby Robstar DIY Auto. Today, a little bit different of a video for you guys. I thought I'll do a video about what's actually happening with the cars, announcing the winner for the online competition, and also what I have planned for the future of this channel. So I've actually got a few things on my mind of what I want to do and where I want to go for Robby Robstar's channel, and a lot is actually riding on the Mini itself and also the Lancer. A lot of money has been tied up into these two projects, and hopefully when I get these cars complied for roadworthy, that I can then sell them and give you better content. As you can tell, hopefully by this video, I've done a lot of learning on filming, giving you a bit of a different angle of me fixing and doing things on cars. I've also, for a while now, I'm not too sure if you can seen it, but got these caps I've been wearing, which is a product of mine and my friend Danny. But this is a project that I have had with him for quite some time now. Danny's not attached to the car projects that I got going, so hopefully they were subtle enough to spark a bit of curiosity in you guys to see what they were. So Being is the brand, and that we've created those a little while back. So these will be on sale soon. I'm trying to set up a page where I can get you to click on, but at this stage everything is just manually done. So if you want one of these hats and to support me and my friend Danny, and hopefully drive this, no pun intended, drive this channel forward into the future and really helping me out to be what I want to be, and that's becoming a car restorer, mechanic, and all that sort of stuff. So if you want one of these, give me a message, send a comment below, which brings me on to the next thing that is very important, that we can make this channel grow by subscribing. Link right up there for you guys. It's important that we get the numbers up, and also allowing for you guys to watch till the end on each video. This will help out the stats on YouTube to show the guys, or the little robots behind it all, that I'm a good guy who's trying to bring out good content. Yeah, I am doing my best to give you exciting different angles like the one I'm in now. Bit uncomfortable, but hey, if it keeps you interested, that's fantastic. So definitely comments below what you would like me to do to improve, what sort of angles or things you just think is pointless. Definitely put those in the comments. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The second thing is hitting the like button. That is very important, just as important as subscribing. Again, it tells the analytics of the video that you like what you see, and it also pushes things forward in the search results to show other people who come across my video that, you know, I'm a good guy trying to give out good content. The third thing is sharing. If you guys could share as much as you can. I know that a lot of friends don't have anybody who's interested in car videos, but if you do have by chance one person that is into car videos, you know, just give them a shout out for me. That would be fantastic. And with that being said, I'll move on to the next topic of discussion, is the cars, where we're up to, what I'm envisioning for the future of Robby Robstar, and I'll go through those right now. So we'll start off with the Mini. As you can see, I've done as much as I can at this stage. There are a few things like gravel rash and little touch-ups that I can do. I still need to give it a good cut and polish, because there is a bit of difference from the old paint versus the new paint, so I need to go there and polish those up. All it is now is waiting for the compliance guys here in Australia to give this a once over, have a look at obviously making sure that there's no faults that they can find, and that is booked on the 1st of July. So this has been booked in for quite some time now, and all I'm doing is just waiting for this to be complied. Still got a badge put on, but I haven't put those on, so I can cut and polish the whole bonnet. Still a little bit of orange peel there, but yeah, she's all good, guys. Which will bring me on to the Lancer. So the Lancer here, the quarter panel, is obviously the hardest part of fixing this car. I am practicing my MIG welds to fix up a lot of damage, if I can fix up that damage. And once I actually have fixed that whole quarter panel up, obviously putting putty there to make it look nice, and repaint it, as well as the front, which is just, it's all there, it's just waiting to get painted. And then she will be in the same boat as the Mini, where she'll get booked in for compliance to get checked, and hopefully give me an opportunity to either use this as a daily driver or sell it. Like I said, a lot of money has been put towards these two vehicles. I know they're not as fancy as what you see on the other channels that you may be watching, but yeah, look and say it's a nice, beautiful all-rounder car. I might use this as a daily driver instead of my V8. So guys, there's still a little bit more to do on this car. Like I said, I'm not going to do anything on that quarter panel just yet until I get my MIG weld up to scratch. And that's it. Which brings me to my actually daily driver, my Calais V8 Calais with active fuel management with 20-inch rims, and hopefully this will be stored in the garage where I will slowly update it. It's my first V8 car, and I'm really excited about keeping it. And but at the moment, using it as a daily driver is taking its toll. It does have active fuel management in it, which obviously reduces the petrol. But I really want to keep this being Australia's second to last V8 manufactured here in Australia, and that's where I'll keep it, in the shed where I can slowly modify it, give you guys some exciting content about giving some high gains, high performance. But I think that's a bit into the future, but one step at a time, starting off with the Mini, starting off with the Lancer, I can then push this channel forward. All right, so that's for the cars. Duchess is my co-star. You may have seen her in a few of my episodes. She keeps me company, keeps me warm. Announcing the winner for the airbrush competition that I did a couple of weeks ago. The winner is MJ Watto, W-A-T-O. I think it's pronounced Watto, so sorry if I'm wrong. I'm guessing by your comments that you said that you may be interested in Casey Stoner. If that's correct, or if you like any other Australian riders or drivers, please comment in this video. You have won that airbrush competition, and I'll get that out to you as soon as possible. Which brings me on to telling you guys, a little bit about what's been happening with the airbrushing. You're thinking, why am I promoting my airbrush? It's something I've done for many years now, and I'm trying to see if I can incorporate it in some way, shape, form in my videos and the cars. And you may have noticed on the Mini there was the Cooper S logo. It was very rough. It was last minute, but there was the airbrush logo on there, and I want to somewhat put a logo on the Mitsubishi somewhere on one of the panels that I'm fixing up, and later on, slowly promote or introduce airbrush into my videos, because I think that's what's going to make me different to the other guys who are fixing up cars in their videos. So hopefully look out for those. Let me know what you think. You may have seen the Marilyn Monroe portrait I've been posting on Facebook. If you haven't liked me on Facebook, definitely go and check me out. Information just above. And yeah, that's the sort of stuff I'm hoping to bring out, and one day maybe even do a big bonnet on one car of something. So yeah, let me know what you think of that. Special mentions to a few people that have helped me grow this much so quickly, and quick mention to Gary Gold, Khan, Ash, Rob, and probably my biggest supporter, my wife. I don't think I'll be able to do this if it wasn't for her looking after the kids and doing housework and all that sort of stuff while I do as much as I can with this and my actual job. And yeah, it's been great. It's been fun, and hopefully I can grow stronger even more. And I definitely thank the 44 subscribers at this count so far. You've been great, and share the love, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, like me on Facebook to get inside scoops, and even Instagram. And hope to see more of these videos. And I'll catch you guys later. My name's Robby Robstar, and ciao for now.